Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comment. Overnight prices are a little bit lower in beans and wheat, unchanged in the corn. Dollar is a little bit higher, but making new highs for the move, and the outside markets kind of mixed with metals and softs up. The crude oil again is lower on the day. As far as the grains are concerned, expect a relatively quiet start to this week. The harvest is done. Farmers probably done selling for a while. We still have very strong bean demand in the nearby, and we're competitive down the road from a corn export standpoint, and South American weather is fine, no problems there. At USDA this week will come out with supply and demand. Your December supply and demand, both for U.S. and world, is usually a non-event, but the one thing people will be watching for is if they raise U.S. bean demand and lower the carryout. That could bring in a little buying in by the funds. On Friday, we had a couple of interesting rumors floating around that allowed the markets to rally somewhat unexpectedly. The first rumor was that China is starting to buy DDGs from the U.S. in containers, and this is kind of going against their fixed policy of not allowing DDGs in or corn in because of a corn variety issue. But maybe because they had a smaller crop and some of their crop is deteriorating in storage, they are starting to buy the cheaper DDG versus their domestic prices. We'll have to see if there's any change in their import policy on DDGs and if that helps the corn market. Also, we heard rumors that China was actually buying December and February U.S. bean cargoes, and some people think that's cleaning up their program before they shift to South America. Others feel it might be new business, and that also supported the bean market. So let's just kind of go sideways, chop around until the USDA report. And then after that, the big picture is that a lot of traders are still bearish long-term beans. The South American supply is adequate, and corn and wheat kind of in a trading range. Can't rally into the big world supply, but you can't break much below where we are right now, because the farmer, especially in the United States, will not be a willing seller. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.
It's 126, 169.79. I'm selling a DC.